Hi lovelies! I just got these towels in from Costco. And in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing them as well as demonstrating how to roll a towel just like the spas do. And if it doesn't look like I'm in my locked house, that's because I'm in our short-term rental, where it's really important to us to give our guests that luxurious experience, which is why we roll the towels the way that we do. So if you're curious to hear what Costco towels are like and how to roll them just like the spas do, stick around. So what I've ordered are the hospitality bath towels, and it's a set of 6, and I'll have to check the price on this, but I remember it being very reasonable. And then I got a pack of 24 washcloths that also was extremely reasonable, which is great because there's a high turnover with your towels and your sheets at a short-term rental, and you don't want to spend a lot, but you want the guests to feel like they're having a luxurious experience. So I'm hoping that these will hit that mark. So we're gonna put them in the wash, dry them, and I'll come back and let you know how they are. So I just got these out of the wash, and I have to say I'm very pleased. They washed up really well, not a lot of lint, and they are super soft and fluffy, so I agree with everything that the people have said on the reviews of these so far. We'll have to see over time how they do, but I'm feeling optimistic. So I wanted to do a little demonstration on how to roll a towel in a spa-like hotel luxurious way. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is fold your towel in half, and you want your tag on the inside so that it doesn't show when it's rolled. And lay it on a clean flat surface. Then you're going to take one corner and fold it over so you have a triangle. And then you're going to take the short edge and fold that over so you have what I call kind of like a sailboat effect. And then you are going to flip the entire thing over like so that all the folds are on the opposite side. Then you're going to tightly roll from the bottom up, and you can just kind of smooth it out as you go along. And then you're going to take this corner and tuck that up into the roll. And there you have it. A perfect hotel style, spa style roll, ready to go into a basket and await your guests or even yourself. And an extra bonus is when you're taking a bath, you can use this behind your head like so as a little bath pillow. So it's a double win, and it's really easy to do once you get the hang of it. Thank you so much for watching today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and can't wait to see you next time.